Welcome to the wonderful world of working as an event host, also known as Master of Ceremonies or MC. My name is Pete Miller and I'm the author of the two best-selling books on how to MC, namely Upfront in Control and You Can Be a Wedding MC. Now, recently the biggest growth in the wedding industry has been the rise of the professional event host MC. Why? Well, because audiences are demanding that the guy or the girl up front with a microphone must speak with as much style and as much elegance as the rest of the wedding. Bride and grooms are now refusing to use the fumbling, nervous friend telling inappropriate jokes, or a distracted, busy DJ who'd much rather just play tunes behind their console than working the room, organising and entertaining everyone. But demand for good event hosts far exceeds the supply, and that's the reason for this Event Host Masterclass online video course. Wedding venues and wedding planners are absolutely crying out and paying huge sums for trained public speakers and presenters to work as charismatic event hosts MCs. Why? Well, because they add so much value. A good event host is like adding premium oil to a dry engine. Suddenly, everything starts to move easily and smoothly. There's no more friction. So, great event hosts originate from all kinds of backgrounds. But personally, I've found that the Toastmasters organisation and professional speaking associations make ideal MCs. These guys have already massive onstage experience, so nerves are really not a problem. And they are aware that MC jobs lead to speaking jobs and vice versa. Now, working as an event host MC is a perfect fit for professional speakers and Toastmasters because their attitude is correct right from the start. And that's what makes a great MC, right? Attitude. They understand what's called the privilege of the platform. But up to this point, knowing how to successfully make the transition from experienced speaker to elegant wedding MC, it's been potluck. Apart from my book, you just stumbled along learning on the job. And in my opinion, that is not good enough. A wedding is a one-off event that carries the dreams and desires of so many people. You cannot turn up and expect to lead this ultra important time without a detailed guide like this masterclass. Now, I've wanted to make this online video course for many years, and now my work is done. It's up to you to shine and understand what many people call one of the best jobs in the world. Event Host Masterclass gives you every tool and template needed to build real rapport with a crowd, deliver speeches and anecdotes with confidence and passion, and become known as the interactive fun MC. There are over 70 tips split into 5 stages: how to prepare, present, personalize, perform and persuade. And all of these really fit together beautifully to provide the best possible platform for you to generate a wonderful lifestyle and income as a popular event host. It's a great job. Everything is included in this course, including a 30-day money-back guarantee. I personally guarantee. So sign up now to Event Host Masterclass. My name is Pete Miller and I'm going to see you on stage.